How's it going, guys? Angus here from Maker's Muse. So what I have here is the Raiscube 3D printer that was sent to me from Light in the Box in China. And basically I just started opening it and I figured I probably should film it because it's already not looking too good. But yeah, let's get into it. So it's an acrylic frame i3 kit, and as soon as I open the box, you can see in the camera here, right there. So it looks like it arrives semi-assembled. It's a kit, but still it's sort of semi-assembled, and that's not a good sign. So acrylic's very brittle, and this is clearly very much a weak point, and it's broken. So I'm going to try to get it out of the box and see if anything else is damaged. I should be able to repair it if that's the only thing. Otherwise, we might be stopped before we even get a chance to start. Anyway, so foam off, bag of goodies. So we've got some screws, nuts, bolts, that sort of thing, in some Glad wrap. All right then, whatever. We have a card reader. What else? Some little laser cut acrylic-y bits for something. Those aside. Nice pair of side cutters. Yeah, they're quite good actually. Used safety glasses. P8 model 170 shears. Probably a clone of a US brand there. Alright, Kingston 8 gig. I'm sure that's also legit. Some tiny screwdrivers. It's pretty cute. They did send a correct plug for Australia, so that's the right power cord, which is nice. Actually, that's a good point. I probably can't get it out yet, but there is a power adapter there, and whether or not that's actually already wired or not will be an important point. Tape, which I don't use. What else? This is looks like the screen. All the parts have kind of finger smudges all over them, so I feel this has been assembled before and then taken apart to be sent to me. But if it works, it works. Ooh, okay. There's a lot of mass in here. I can see why it's got damaged. There's a lot of weight. Not sure I can get it out. Okay. I may have to just go for it and get the frame out and see what I can do. No. Little spool holder. Okay, let's go for it. Sorry, my arm's kind of in the way. Nope, can't do that either. Okay, let's get all the foam out that I can. Okay. Oh, this is a lead screw for the vertical axis. Right, so that would be the Z. I think it has two of these. So sort of classic i3 style. We have a, yeah, I think it's definitely been assembled and then put back in a box. There's this box here. What's this? Something, probably the bed. Right, can I get this out yet? Nope. Still more foam. That acrylic. Oh, that's so sad. It is definitely broken. What else? Some just bits of acrylic thrown in. I mean, you look at that, it's kind of not really the strongest design. Acrylic is easy to laser cut, but it's also very brittle. More foam, more bits. And that's, yeah, it's thick acrylic. More plates. Still more plates with T-slots, which are not really the best way to join acrylic together. Okay, rods. Well, I mean, that was rattling around. So that would have done a bit of damage. So we've got some, maybe a spare lead screw? Maybe? They look like a different pitch. I'm not, oh, that'd be the vertical, yeah, okay. So this is the i3 style. It's got the lead screws holding the platform in place. Alright. Oh dear. It kind of is all assembled, isn't it? go for it. Okay, so it's sort of half wired up, I suppose. That'd be one of the Z-axis mounts, 3D printed parts. PLA definitely feels quite hollow, probably not that strong. So I think this kit's currently $420 Australian, which is very cheap. Yeah, so that's what we've lost. So what we've got there is the motor mount for presumably the Y-axis, and that would have been shipped already attached, which is just a terrible, terrible idea because the weight in shipping, this is a heavy motor, just cracked the whole thing. Must have hit a bump on the truck or whatever, who knows, couriers drop things. So that's done. I'm going to have to print a new replacement for that. And there's more damage at the back. Lovely. Alright, we'll get the bed out of the way. And I don't know if you can see that there, but that's also cracked. Oh, it's completely shattered actually. So that's completely gone. Focus, thank you. So that's, I mean, that must have been some pretty serious force to do that. So that is not good. So the question is, how do I guess, how do I get it out of the box? Because all these wires are joined to each other, and it's all broken. It's just, the whole frame snapped in half. The whole frame's gone. Oh shit. Well, I can pick this out separately. Right. Oh my god, it's completely done. Oh no. Whole thing is completely shattered. Everything shattered. There's bits of acrylic just all over the shop. I can't even get it out of the box. I'm just gonna go for it. That's just, that is a sad sight. Right, there we go. So, that's the Raiscube 3D printer from Light in the Box. What can I say? The packaging was just terrible. It's arrived completely broken. Everything's snapped, everything's shattered. I don't really think it's repairable at this point because the main frames are snapped and shattered, and main beam there is broken, and you could painstakingly glue it back together, but then it's going to just break again. Oh, time to write an email. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this horrible unboxing of a completely stuffed 3D printer. Thanks for supporting Makers Muse on Patreon. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you again shortly and let you know the aftermath of this. Bye.